You've arrived.
Barely 2 minutes into the trail, and you started gaining some elevation. So I've decided to follow this route, the one with the blue paint. Also, I saw white blaze, yeah, right there. So I'm following the white blaze, and then I guess we up front, and then take a right just about where the knob is. Okay. Yep. As expected, covered in graffiti. Some pretty nice views from here. So for some reason, All Trails isn't updating my location, and when I go to Google Maps, what I see is I'm kind of past Bear Rocks, sorry, not Bears Rocks, Bear Rocks. Those rocks over there, those are the Bear Rocks, and I met a group who said I should head back and then climb like from the other side and then come down this way. What I'm gonna do is, I see another place that's marked on my map, which is called the Peace Peak. So I'm gonna go further to Peace Peak. I'm heading back to where I started from, the parking on the Bay Cove and Knob Road, but on the way I'm still gonna stop at Bear Rocks. Originally that was going to be my destination. So this kind of shows what the other group that I met on my way up to Peace Peak was talking about. They said it's better to go over there and come down here and then, you know, continue. So I'm gonna go further out and then come back like this. So I came up a little further up the trail and then found this opening. It kind of seems pretty doable to me, so I'm gonna go down this path. Okay. And that's not the top. There's a lot more. You can't really see from here. So I think I have to follow these blue little marks to get to the top. Oh. So if I go here, lovely view. I see a lake. Nice. No, not a lake. Just shadows. Oh, this is amazing because this has like almost a 360 view. So I climbed through somewhere over there and then went around those rocks. You see the blue blaze and that big rock, that's where I was standing initially. And then I came around this bush, climbed up through here, and this is the view. Amazing. And like I said, it's almost a 360 view, going all the way from this side, and then a bit of it blocked there by the mountain. And lovely. This was the side we saw from Peace Peak, and then so this is like the other side. I didn't really have a view of this side till now. So let's see, where am I? Oh, looks like I am on the right path to go down. But which way? I feel like I have to go further up here. Pretty. felt like the blue blaze was only marked on the way up. But, oh wait, there's something blue. Oh, there. Hold on. There's the blue blaze. Again, on the tree in another campsite. So, yeah. Looks like that is the way. Would definitely love to come camping. Okay, I see a way to go down here. Yeah, this can be used to climb up too, actually, for people who don't like that kind of a rock scramble. I think this is the spot of the first campsite that I saw on my way up. Okay. I'm down, out into the woods. Now, got to just find the trail and head back. I think that's it. Whew, here we are, back on the trail. So I'm back to where I started climbing the bare rocks, which was this way, and then I'm gonna continue heading to the parking. I'm gonna stop recording now. Hello, I've reached the parking in about 27 minutes, and this is the place I wanted to show. In the far distance over there, I don't know if you can see some cars in a clearing. That's a parking where I'm parked, and then there's a way going this way. This leads to the other parking. So I'm here in the parking, and yep, no bathrooms. This other group that I met on top of Bear Rock said they were stopped from going on the Wakeoven Knob Trail because it was closed for cleaning up the graffiti. I'm gonna go check that real quick. I do see policemen over there, so it might be, yeah. And such lovely wildflowers over here. Yeah, so I can see how this area has been, there's what do you say, overlook areas temporarily closed, graffiti removal in progress. Okay.